Traditionally, in-person learning has been considered the best educational format. COVID-19 has completely changed the educational system and how we as a society approach learning. During COVID-19 quarantine, forced remote learning has had mixed results. Despite in-person active learning increasing classroom and learning performance, interviews have shown that many students prefer online classes. This raises the question of what is driving preferences towards online learning. Two factors could be driving the preference towards online learning: agency and choice-induced stress. The increased agency accompanied by online learning to choose when, what, and how much educational content a student sees in one sitting is a possible benefit. However, the increased amount of asynchronous study choices may be detrimental due to content overload, which was first coined in marketing studies. In the context of marketing, studies have shown a content overload or a decision paralysis effect. Presenting an individual with too many options causes them to freeze and their later decisions to be less decisive and satisfying. This raises the possibility that content overload in a learning context could have the same detrimental effect. Specifically, content overload may create stress, which at high levels would impact learning mechanisms. These two concepts can be applied to the remote learning college student, an individual who has multiple class assignments due every day and must choose which assignments to work on. Having all assignments available simultaneously may lead to choice-induced stress. I hypothesize that increasing presented workload will have detrimental effects on learning. Furthermore, individuals who prefer remote learning will perform best with larger presented workloads. Individuals who prefer in-person learning will perform best with a structured, condensed presented workload. To carry out this experiment, I will be using an online format. Subjects will first complete a pretest that assesses their study habits, baseline knowledge, and interest in the topics they will soon be studying. Next, students will study 8 topics total. Subjects will be randomly assigned to one of 2 learning conditions, a 2-topic condition or an 8-topic condition. In the 2-topic condition, subjects will be presented 2 topics at a time, always paired, and must choose one to study. Subjects will have 5 minutes to study their selected topic, and after studying this first topic, they will choose again from a new pair of topics with the same time parameters. Topic selection will continue in this paired manner for 8 trials total and will be followed by a restudy phase of an additional identical 8 trials. The 8-topic condition will be the same, except that all 8 topics at once will be presented, and the subject must choose one to study. Subjects will then complete another round of study in the other learning condition. 24 hours after study, subjects will be assessed with comprehension questions similar to the format and style of the SAT. Then, subjects will complete a questionnaire reflecting on study habits and preference of online versus in-person learning. To analyze this data, I will compare the average test results of the 2-topic condition and the 8-topic condition using paired t-tests for within-subject analysis. Based on their questionnaires, I will sort subjects into 3 groups: in-person, neutral, and remote learning preference. Preferences will be correlated with overall performance and differences between conditions. It is predicted that overall, increasing topic presentation number will decrease test scores. Students who prefer remote learning will perform best in the 8-topic condition because it allows them to pick from all possible content and make decisions based on their attentional status. This provides students with greater agency over their study habits, including how to space or chunk material. Conversely, students who prefer in-person learning will perform worse when content load is increased, as the content load will induce stress. They will perform best when content selection is more structured and less in number. I would like to thank Professor Sarah Dubrow from the University of Oregon, Dr. Bjarne Assem of the University Hospital of Trondheim, Norway, David Hahn of the University of Oregon, and the Dubrow and Hutchinson Labs for making this possible. Thank you.